this is where we left off of Dogman, Grime, and Punishment. Let's start. Chapter 7, Catman by George and Harold. Meanwhile, but why, Papa? Because your grandpa is a deadbeat. You can't just forgive and forget. Sometimes you just gotta hate. Hate isn't always a bad thing, you know. It isn't? Of course. Now hate keeps things alive. Hate is a connection. Sometimes hate is all you've got left. But what about love, Papa? Psh, love shall move. People is fine for people like you. You've lived a charmed life, but things were different for me. Grandpa was way meaner to me than he was to you, and he was even meaner to my mom. Chop, chop, scoot. Chop, chop, chop.
Hey, Papa, how come I met my grandpa, but I never met my grandma?
Why, Papa? Just eat your food.
But why, Papa? Papa?
Meanwhile,
me just me act so bad because me feel so sad.
Hey, maybe if you find yourself a buddy, you'll become enlightened.
But where could I find Buddy? It's not like Buddy just appear out of nowhere.
Meow.
Hey, Buddy! Could love Buddy. Could and Buddy do crimes? But what crime we do first? Me know a smash bookshop. Come on, Buddy. Hey, quit stuck.
A click.
Could no understand.
I'll tell you what happened, Cruddy. It looks like you just got busted by this awesome undercover cop, Catman.
Did you see that, Mr. Snookums? Meow. I hired that cat. I guess that makes me the hero. Aren't you proud of me, Mr. Snookums?
Well, folks,
it looks like Crud has been captured.
Crud captured. Crud no think so. Crud angry.
Uh-oh. Crudorama. Crud when he angry. And then, wham! Hey, you're Dogman. Hey, that's Dogman. I'm gonna help him. I'm gonna destroy him. Chapter 8, Big Fight. Meanwhile,
but why, Papa?
I told you I don't want to talk about it anymore.
But why?
Because you're just a kid. You couldn't possibly understand what I've gone through.
I can try.
Look, your grandpa, he abandoned me and my mom. He left when I was just a kid. He left when my mom was sick.
Your mama was sick?
Yeah.
She got better though, right? Right, Papa?
Look, kid, sometimes bad things happen, and you just can't forgive, and you can't forget. Sometimes all you've got left is hate.
I don't know, Papa. Hate has caused a lot of problems in this world, but it hasn't solved one yet.
Meanwhile,
Crud hate nobody. Crud destroy nobody.
But first,
Crud and Tie-Tail.
Not so fast, Cruddy. Pow! Zip! Zing! Conk! Ow! Wait for me, gang. Not so fast, Chief. Dogman isn't a cop anymore, but yet he forsaking a cop. But Dogman belongs in jail. And if you're going to help him, you're going to jail too. So what it's gonna be, Chief? Are you gonna risk everything for that loser? Well, you bet I am. Song, make way for Chief.
So Chief is a tree. Huh?
Well, don't just stand there. Arrest them. But, no more buts. Arrest them or you're all fired. And so, sorry, Chief. Click. We don't have a choice, Sarah. Click. Ha ha! Great. Now the bad guy is getting away.
It's your own fault. You were helping a criminal. Now put those chumps in the cop-mobile. And get them out of my sight.
Okay, Mir. Hey! Meanwhile...
Hey, what's this?
Warning. Please do not spray this giant lunch bag with living spray. Now available in our gift shop.
God's motor brain give him a good idea.
Chapter 9. The lunch bag of motor brain.
Bow. Crud steal living spray. Now Crud unveil secret plan and Crud-orama.
Crud lead label carefully. Crud shake and vigorously. Crud spray bag thoroughly.
Me Munchie hungry.
Is that so? Then let's eat.
Munchy thirsty.
Bob Blecker power plant. Slip.
No Munchie, no drink. Nicola just bellyache. Munchie, run up to pond over there. Drink up water from pond over there. Run, Munchie, run.
Meanwhile, at the pond over there, maybe he's going to drink over there.
Okay, class. Who knows what an adverb is?
Oh! Someone besides Melvin this time.
How about you, Molly? An adverb is, it's like a word that describes stuff. Could you be more specific? Like dinghies and stuff. Please!
All right, Melvin.
An adverb is a word or phrase that modifies quantities or qualifies a verb, adjective, or other adverb, expressing matter, place, time, frequency.
Okay, thanks. That's great, Melvin.
Now, who can use an adverb in a sentence?
Ooh!
Please.
All right, Melvin.
Ahem. I am as smart as
A lunch bag!
Okay, but where's the adverb? Actually, that was a pond. Snap! Run, kids, run! Run, jump, hide, adverbs. Run quickly, jump high. Hide, surreptitiously. So we're gonna find out what happened in chapter 10 tomorrow. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.